Good morning. This is Sunday morning, July 8th, and I'm about to mix 30 gallons of salt water so I can make a water change in my tank. There's a question about this Red Sea salt, and I'm going to film it as we do it. This is my garbage can. It has about almost 30 gallons of deionized water. Here's my salt. Here's the pump we're going to use, and I'm going to take you step by step. Okay, we have the circulating pump in the deionized water, and I'm going to start adding the salt. And the way I do this is a cup at a time, and I pour it in very, very slowly, just like that. It takes about 10 cups for 30 gallons of water. And make sure it's swirling around as I'm pouring it in. Now, I'm not going to stand here and do 10 cups and let you watch that. I'm going to let you watch it when it's finished. So hang in there, guys. Okay, I took the pump, the end of the hose, and just kind of moved it around the bottom because some of the salt's at the bottom. And you can see some flakes in there. I'm not going to deny that. But let's give it a chance to dissolve. I'll come back in a minute. You can almost see the bottom of the garbage can already, and that's with 6 cups of salt. Bottom of the garbage can with the pump, and it's crystal clear. It's crystal clear, guys. Look at it. I hope you can see that. That's the bottom where the pump is laying. I got to put some more salt in there, but I've got 6 to 7 cups of salt already. It's not quite 1026 because that's what I'm aiming for. We'll come back. Okay, guys, I just put another 6 cups of salt, Red Sea Salt Pro, in the thing, and it's a little cloudy. But let's wait. Right now it's 9 o'clock. So we're going to take a look at the clock again when this thing clears up. See, you can't see the pump, can't see the bottom. Let's give it a little time. Still, it's only been like 10 minutes, but it's still a little cloudy. But that's only 10 minutes. Let's give it a look. Guys, according to my hydrometer, we're at 1025. That's where I like to be. This is a pretty accurate unit here. I like this unit. Let's take a look and see what it looks like down there. Yeah, man. It's pretty clear. You can see the bottom of the hose all the way to the bottom. And it's only been, right now it's only 10 after, or 9 after. So, what can I say? I'm going to run some tests on alkalinity and pH and all the rest of that stuff in a few minutes. I'm going to take some water out of this this pump, this garbage can, I mean, and then I'm going to put it in my tank, and I'm going to read some tests and let you know what that is. Okay, guys, y'all, hold on for a little while. Out of the mixing can, and put it right about here. We're gonna check that out in just a little while. Let's go back in here. How's that look? It looks pretty clear to me. And I'm so sorry, y'all guys, I'm having trouble. I don't know what the problem is, but I can just tell you what I do, and it looks clear. I'll come back to you. Okay, we back. It is a quarter after 9 a.m. on a Sunday morning, and we're going to run some tests. These are the test kits we use. I'm using Red Sea. I think they're pretty accurate. So I'm going to get everything mixed up, and we're going to do a PO4. We're going to do calcium and magnesium and KH. Okay, y'all hang tight. Okay, guys, it's 20 after 9. We're testing our phosphates levels in the water we just mixed up. It's been 6 minutes because that's what the test requires. And I don't know if you can see this at all, but if you look at the top of the chart, right there, that says 0 phosphates. And if you look at this bad boy right here, that says 0 phosphates. So I'll let it go a little longer and we can just kind of see what's going on here, but I don't see any phosphates in this salt at all. Salt water that we mix up for the tank. Man, I wish y'all could see it a little better than this, but it's just a hint of yellow, which is right there. And if my eyes are bad, you know, the worst comes to worst is 0.02. Man, that is nothing, dude. So it's showing to me that there's no phosphates in this salt water at all. And this is the water we took out of the garbage can that I'm getting ready to put in the tank. So here we are. Okay, that test is complete. Okay, guys, it's been like 10 minutes, and the test only takes 6 minutes, and it has yet to turn yellow-green. It's a hint of yellow, which is probably right here, which is reads 000. So there's no phosphates in this salt water at all. Okay, let's go to the next test. Okay, we're going to do the calcium, the KH, and the magnesium. Again, this is a Red Sea test kit that we got. And I like to lay everything out. This is my calcium test kit. This is the KH. And this is the magnesium. I use the same little syringes each time. I don't mix them up. I like to use them, you know, the KH with the KH and the calcium with the calcium, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, give me a second here. I'm going to mix up the calcium first. Okay, guys, we got the calcium all mixed up, and it's in a titrator, so we're dropping the levels down as we speak to see how high the calcium level is on this salt water we just mixed up. Yeah, we're at 4. We're at 3. It's supposed to turn blue. Okay, it's starting right now. There we go, another pinch, another drop or two, because it's not really blue, it's still a little red. Okay, that's blue right there. There it is. That's the blue we're looking for. And we're on just about 1. So that means we used 9 milliliters, mLs, I guess, of titration solution. So let's see if we can figure that out. 9 would be, oh, I don't know if y'all can see that, guys. 9 is right here. That says 450. Right where my thumb is. 9. 450. That's the water we just made up, guys. Just made up. A half an hour ago. 9. 450. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, here we go with the KH. Alright, a couple drops in there. It's going to turn blue. Now we're looking for a red color to see exactly what's blue. See exactly what the KH is on this thing. We're going down with the titration here. Wow. This is unreal. Alright, looks like it's coming around here. That's 1 mil. And there it is. And it's still a little bit on the blue side. Let me just take a peek here, guys, and see what that would be. If we use 1 milliliter, if we use 1 ml, God, I wish this camera was better. 1 ml would be 14.0. That's the KH on this salt water we just mixed up. That's the reading, 14. Okay, that's the KH. Let's go to the next one. Okay, here we go. This is the magnesium, and it's supposed to turn blue. So let's take a look here. We're gonna go ahead and start injecting this stuff with the titrator. And keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. We're already at 3. Woo, starting to turn. A couple more drops. It's not quite there. There it is. Alright, that reads 2. So that means we used 8 mLs. 8 mLs. And if we use 8 mLs, my God. Okay. Magnesium, 1600. If y'all can see that on there, guys. Oh, you have to take my word for it. 8 mLs. 1600. That's the magnesium. This test, all of these tests were performed within just less than an hour on this water that we mixed up. This salt water with this Red Sea salt. I haven't had any problems with the salt or with the test kits. I found out they're pretty accurate. This is my tank. Everything looks great, you know. All my corals are doing fine. Everything is open. I got polyps coming out of here like crazy. And this tank's only been up since January. Since January. All the clams look great. Chalice. Monopore. Okay, guys, this is the end of the test that we just did, and I'm gonna take a little break because I got to put this water in this tank here. But I hope you enjoyed what I did for you to see that this stuff is good stuff. It's good stuff. There's nothing wrong with this salt. I'm sorry y'all having problems. Again, you need to check your water and see how hard your water is, guys, because that could be the problem. I'm not a chemist, so I really don't know. But look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. You can see the pump at the bottom of the tank, the garbage can. This water is crystal freaking clear. It's crystal clear, and it's been less than an hour that we started to mix. And it's ready to go in the tank. Alright, this is Phil signing off.